Hey, Money Mount family, what if I told you that improving your relationships doesn't take grand gestures, deep pockets, or hours of therapy? Sometimes, the smallest changes create the biggest impact. Today, we're diving into unexpected ways to strengthen your relationships, whether it's with your partner, friends, or even colleagues. Stick around till the end, because the last tip is a game changer. Let's get into it. Number 1, the power of small gestures. A friend of mine once told me about how he and his dad barely spoke for years. One day, out of the blue, he sent his dad a simple, "Hope you're doing well" text. That small message cracked open the door, and now they talk every week. Crazy, right? These little acts build what I call relationship currency. Just like saving money, these deposits of kindness stack up over time, creating stronger bonds and deeper trust. So, what's one small gesture you can do today? Drop a comment below. Number 2, the language of love. Ever feel like you and your partner are speaking two different languages? That's because, well, you kinda are. The 5 love languages: words of affirmation, acts of service, receiving gifts, quality time, and physical touch are the key to unlocking better communication. Words of affirmation: I appreciate you making dinner. Acts of service: doing the dishes when they've had a long day. Receiving gifts: thoughtful surprises, not expensive ones. Quality time: phones away, full attention. Physical touch: a simple hug can mean the world. Here's the trick: learn their language, not just your own. That's when the magic happens. Number 3, unplug and connect. This thing points to phone. It's killing relationships. We scroll more than we talk, and it's time to fix that. Ever tried a tech-free hour with loved ones? No screens, just real conversations and shared moments. Cooking together, playing a board game, going on a walk without phones. Your presence is the best present you can give. Try it tonight and see the difference. Number 4, the art of active listening. Ever talked to someone and felt like they weren't really listening? Yeah, not fun. Active listening is a superpower. Here's how to do it right. Summarize. So you're feeling frustrated because? Clarify. Did I understand you correctly? Avoid interrupting. Silence is golden. This simple shift builds trust, prevents misunderstandings, and makes people feel valued. And when people feel heard, relationships thrive. Number 5, cultivate gratitude. Here's a fun fact: people who regularly express gratitude have stronger relationships. It's science. Saying thank you isn't just polite. It makes people feel seen. Keep a gratitude journal. Say one thing you appreciate about someone every day. Focus on what's right in your relationships, not just what's wrong. Try this. Text someone right now and tell them something you appreciate about them. Watch how it strengthens your bond instantly. All right, Money Mount family, which of these tips are you going to try first? Drop a comment below. And if you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. More life-changing content coming your way. See you in the next one.